how to get a subscribe button on Snapchat. So if you want to get the subscribe button on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application and make sure to log into your account. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to have the subscribe button on Snapchat, then you have to create your public profile on Snapchat, and after creating your public profile you will have the subscribe button. So if you have not created your public profile, then you can simply go for the upper left corner which has that profile icon, and here you will have create my public profile option. You can simply create your public profile, and after creating your public profile, here you will have an option of my public profile. You can simply tap on that, and this is your public profile. And after creating your public profile, you will have the subscribe option or the subscribe button. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.